People always looking for an established business. In Granada, definitely is a destination. And I'm going to introduce to you the owner of this hotel that was opened in 2005. Nancy and Terry, they used to live in the United States. They were traveling and one day they said, stop by Nicaragua. By accident, they say, oh wow, this is a place that we love.
The people are wonderful. We knew that the people here were a treasure, and they were so friendly and welcoming to Terry and I.
The first man we met was Don Victor, and it was 5:30 in the morning, and we're walking down the street with our belongings because the hostel was pretty rough, and he had a little sign, rent or buy. Andy and I look at each other and go,
Eventually, you're gonna see in the interview why they made a decision to stay longer time and now establish their home in the city of Granada in Nicaragua. So thank you guys for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed this information, especially for you who's looking at a business like a hotel with over 10 rooms. This is one of those opportunities. So let's go and see it. The area was actually in the concept to have a nice dining area, but also it's a combination between the lease rental units or space they have with the bar. In the morning, this transformed into the breakfast sections where they have a kitchen and then 2 extra bathrooms. That stairs, it will take you to the mezzanine if you want to have like a VIP area. The garden, the fountains, and the view from here, it will really take you and immerse into another kind of environment or atmosphere. So actually, guys, the hotel is designed and it has everything you need to continue the operation. Well, talking about business, I understand you've been running this hotel, and I would like you to tell our friends, how many rooms, how much it takes really to keep this place running. And definitely, I remember Nancy is one of the best, destination in terms of an iconic building because you are in an excellent location. Just across from the museum, it's easy to walk to the center. So do you find this location by accident, or you were saying, hey,
we thought about it. We thought about it. What's the first thing in real estate?
Location.
Location.
Yes. Yeah. So how about the business? What can you tell us about the business? Well, because it's now officially in the market, so I'm sure people wants to learn more. Sure. How you do the hotel, what it takes to run this, but also you have this hotel in different platforms to be exposed.
Right. Well, the best thing that I can say about our hotel, it's been running successfully for over 20 years. And our staff have been with us most of the time, the same staff. Wow. And they know the business as well as we do. They love it. We're a family together, and it can run without us.
Wow. That's a big achievement.
It is a big achievement.
Exactly, especially because you've been training by following some international standard about how you stage the rooms and put everything together.
Yeah, we always wanted to take the best of both cultures. We come from the U.S. culture, and this is the Nicaraguan culture, and we take the strong points of both cultures and combine them to a unique experience.
Very nice. I like the stairs and the color, how they create something different, but at the same time keeping the flavor of the old colonial taste. Right here on the floor, we have almost 6, 7 bedrooms. And at the second floor, like in this section, we're going to look at some units are designed fully equipped. Let's go and see it. This is one of the two single suites. Actually, we'll say it's one of the two biggest rooms we have on the second floor. Each one has its own balcony, like a Juliet balcony. Nice looking to see the garden when you walk in through the lobby. And each one of these rooms is fully set up with a own kitchenette, microwave, and your little fridge. Look at this beautiful piece of furniture, the way they set up. You can fold these doors, and then you have all the utensils and everything you need to keep this place for yourself. It's a great idea, especially when customers are looking to stay a longer time, like 1 week, even a month. A location definitely also provides another convenience, which is easy walking from the main museum and the plaza. Its own bathrooms is fully equipped as well, water heater, ceiling fan, and air conditioning. One of the things is the atmosphere of these units is really pleasant because it doesn't feel like a hotel. It actually feels like a little small apartment studio with that touch of the colonial taste. Definitely one of the biggest features you can feel in this area is the high ceiling and the atmosphere as well, so you're gonna enjoy to be here at the second floor. Then don't remember that we are in the heart of the historical district of Granada, sitting in Nicaragua, so actually it's a very pleasant location for you to walk around and learn about the history of the city. So let's continue looking around, okay? Let me show you the other suite. It's right here. You know, guys, Melo is telling me, hey, I want you to see with a big smile. I don't know, big smile. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you're looking to get more information about Nicaragua real estate, and don't forget to send me your text or email. Here you are, my telephone number and my email as well. So very happy to answer all your questions. And in the meanwhile, let's go and see the other main suite. Also the same kind of size, AC. I like the windows, guys. 3 windows, beautiful double door. Always keep the flow here. And a huge closet. Like it. Again, you have beautiful concept. Look at these folded doors. This is beautiful local solid wood. Again, you have the sink. Let's open it. Look at this. Nice. Very good idea. I like it because you know what? Sometimes when you're working from the distance and you don't want to rent a house, but you want to have like a main suite apartment, in this hotel, Casa San Francisco, they thought about that idea because the owner's been traveling all over the world, so they understand a traveler needs. This is one of those. Maybe you don't want to be bothered, you want to just be here. Look at this. You work from your computer. I don't want to damage anything, and boom, and then you lock it up and you have your own desk work. Actually, the whole set is very, very convenient. A small fridge. But if you don't want to cook, the restaurant of the hotel is ready. They have breakfast every morning, and check out the bar where they have a good menu and drinks, local drinks. And the beer is one of the very famous beer in Nicaragua. I cannot say the name.
Attention to detail has been noted by our customers so much. I mean, their rooms have USB plugs. They have a makeup wash pause. They have the little touches because we have been in so many hotels in our life, our careers.
And we know what we like.
We know what we like, and we want our guests to feel a total relaxation when they walk in. They don't have to look for things or come down to the desk to ask for things. There's water in the room, you know, the little touches are all there. We had all our furniture built here, all of our chairs out in a field in outside of Cathedral.
See, exactly.
And they The chairs are still in great shape after 22 years. It's unbelievable.
True.
We'd had to reupholster them a couple times, but the chairs themselves are in perfect shape.
Well, that's another thing, Nancy. I mean, some people asking me question about, can you really decorate your houses with the local furniture and
you
things
can
like
have
that?
anything made here. You can take a picture out of any book, of a bed, of a chair, of a counter, and it can be duplicated.
So that's gonna guarantee that if somebody, let's say, purchases this hotel and they want to continue making some different, touch, obviously everyone's gonna create his own concept, but definitely you have the way to do it, the terraces. I can tell. I mean, I'm also renting houses and it's not that hard to do. When I love to see and sneak into this room because each one is completely different and their own concept. And these chairs, it just remind me like a lovely casita, and it doesn't feel like a regular hotel. Actually, each room has different decoration, and everyone has a TV, your desk, and the mattresses and the bathrooms. They bring to you a different atmosphere individually. So that's something your customers are going to appreciate because it feels different and it has character. That's very important. It's a good product, and especially because that location, when you see the video above area, where you have the museum and the cathedral, not that far away. Customers always love a good distance and walking distance, and definitely that only can bring to you with the right location. So I'm gonna give you at the description below this video all the details you need to learn about this business and this operation, established company, which is the hotel, how you can buy it. La Soleta Dos Hermanas, Little Plaza Two Sisters. That's the name of that little small section over there with that beautiful light of the plant, a square table. Right away, you understand you are in a different atmosphere ambient at the back of the section where you have that pool. Keeping also the simplicity of the pool. I love it, flat and tiles. It's a large pool, enough for practicing a little bit of swimming, but just to take off and relax. Here, all these rooms are right now booked, and you see these local chairs where you can just read a book and take the sun. Again, this is definitely the back part of the property where you feel more peaceful and quiet. Stairs will connect to the second floor and then to the third floor, which is an open area where you can have a private reunion or party. That's very convenient. Very cool location, excellent spot here, especially if you have a party, a private meeting. This is where you're gonna stay. Here you are, a half bathroom, and here I can catch the beautiful view of the Mombacho, then the main cathedral right in the center. This wall provides privacy, so you don't have to see the neighbors. Only you catch straight of you, that beautiful view of the cathedral and the volcano. Remember, this is one of the best locations because it's only 3 blocks away from the main plaza. This is definitely a nice spot. Very unusual to find in a house like this one, but definitely the owner had the chance to do it, and why not to bring to you a different feature of the property, which is the 3rd level with open concept for your private parties. Somebody say, Carlos, that's what I'm doing. I'm in the hotel business and I want to buy everything that includes also everything.
It would be seamless.
Perfect. And then the business itself is also running, which is another plus. So whoever can purchase the hotel will have already opened the corporation or is in a way that people can easily transfer the right of the hotel, including the name and all the platform you are, so that make it easier for marketing.
Yes, but we don't have a SA.
Okay.
We do not have a corporation. It is in sole ownership. Property is in Nancy and my name, and because Nancy had another business, the hotel is in my name, but
Perfect.
it is a 50-50 partnership.
But it's easy to transfer the title thing. And that's another thing. People were asking me questions, as an expat or somebody who's not a citizen in Nicaragua, can I buy a property in Nicaragua? Can I open a business in Nicaragua? And definitely you are the right example that is possible, because when you bought this land or this property, you were not a citizen in that moment.
No. Then we became residents, but Nicaragua is pretty welcoming. It's amazing that there's not a lot of rules and regulations to prohibit you from doing the kind of business you.
True. I can tell because on real estate, I deal with a lot of different countries. People when they come, and I don't see any problem. Almost more than 95%. My customers, definitely, our customers at a time, are from different countries and never had any problem. Another thing is, another question, the hotel remains open 24/7, or you have a guard at a special time during the night that close the doors, or is that something you can work with the customers when they come late?
We're open 24 hours.
24 hours.
I mean, probably if no guests are coming to check in at midnight, we close the door. But if somebody knocks on the door, we have night guards who are also equipped to check people in, and that can
Perfect. So
accommodate our customers.
credit cards, people can use credit cards.
Credit cards, they can go through our website and do credit cards through there. They can do through booking. There's many ways to book. And we have like 3 phone numbers. We have a U.S. phone number. We have WhatsApp. We have all those.
So there's no any way somebody can say, Carlos, I want to do my booking. I mean, they have all the services, all the tools to make it happen. So whoever luckily get this opportunity will say, okay, Carlos, it's ready to go. So basically you provide all the tools. So thank you very much. For me, I'm excited because my 2 mentors in Granada teaching me about real estate, and now they're gonna go to another transition. So the hotel is gonna be for sale. It's for sale now. I'm gonna give you the description below this video how you can contact me. And if you wanna talk to Terry or Nancy about more how the business is going, I will share your telephone number. So thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.